is Wendela Morales Manguban, and this is Sniper from Untask. So, what I have here is I will be describing putting a diagram about leaves. Hold on. So I printed leaves because I didn't find any leaves outside that will fit, so I just printed leaves. I hope it's okay. So this, I didn't cut it perfectly. This is a rose leaf. This one is a calamansi leaf. This one is a santan leaf, and this one is a mango leaf, and a guava leaf, and a banana leaf. Have them all right here. Some of these leaves they look slightly the same, but they're not. Okay, so I don't have a manila paper, so I'm just gonna use a bond paper, and I'll try my best to fit it. I cut them out. Anyways, description of the 6 leaves that I just shown. First, I'm gonna start with the mango leaf. Mango leaf is long, narrow, and smooth. It has a pointed tip and a very visible midrib running along the center. The edges are smooth and the leaf is usually dark green and flexible. It is flexible because it's made out of paper, but that is the description of mango leaf. And the guava leaf, the guava leaf is oval shaped with a slightly rougher textured surface. Its edges are slightly serrated and the veins are very prominent and easy to see. This leaf is thick and firm compared to others. I wish I would know that, but I can't because it's paper. And the banana leaf. The banana leaf is very large and wide. It's a long central midrib, and the leaf often looks like it's split or torn along the sides, like this. I made sure to cut this detail. It is smooth, bright green, and flexible when fresh. And as we go back to the rose leaf, the rose leaf is easily recognized because its edges are serrated or jagged. The shape is oval, as you can see here, and the leaf has a pointed up tip, the same as the mango. It usually has a deep green color and a slightly textured surface. And the calamansi leaf is small, oval, and shiny. Its surface is smooth and glossy, and the edges are not serrated. It also has a noticeable citrus scent when crushed. Oh, I love the scent of the calamansi leaf. Love it. The santan leaf is small, smooth, and simple in shape. Literally just the same as a calamansi leaf. It is an oval form with a pointed up tip and smooth edges. The leaf is thin and light green, usually found in clusters on the plant. Leaves shows different shapes, vein patterns, and edges, which helps us classify and compare plants. For example, like oval leaf, the shape of the oval leaf is smooth and rounded. The edge is, entire entire no teeth, meaning usually found on plants that do not need strong protection from herbivores or harsh weather. And heart-shaped leaf, their shape are broad base, pointed tip. Their edge is smooth, often belongs to plants in moist and shady places because the large surface helps absorb more sunlight. And the lobed leaf, their shape has with deep curves, like waves, and the edge is irregular. It helps plants reduce wind resistance and avoid damage in strong wind. And the linear leaf, their shape are long and narrow. Their edges are smooth and common in grasses and plants in dry or windy environments because thin leaves lose less water. And the compound leaves, their shape are many small leaflets forming one leaf. Their edge usually smooth or slightly toothed, like this. They're usually found in plants that grow in dry, cold, or extreme climates. The small surface area helps save water. Okay, after examining all the 6 leaves, we can conclude that plants develop different leaf forms depending on their environment and survival needs. Like smooth, wide leaves absorb more sunlight. Narrow and needle-like leaves prevent water loss. Lobed and compound leaves help plants survive in windy areas. These differences show that leaf structure is connected to a plant's habitat, climate, and adaptation. By studying leaves, we can better understand how plants live, grow, and survive in different conditions. I will be doing the diagram, something like that. I'm gonna make sure that it's small. I'm gonna make sure it's small, but I'm gonna make sure the letter is small because I don't have a manila paper, and I will try to fit everything here on this bond paper. So I hope it fits. so I have made a diagram. The words are not visible, but the words are not visible. I will just take a picture and attach it when I edit this video. I made the leaves I printed the leaves, and I made it too big, and also the letters, because I thought that if I draw more bigger, if I wrote more bigger, it will not fit this. Okay, sorry. It's confusing. It's very confusing, but I will explain it as hard as I can to make it easy. So my diagram is the leaf small. It says here. There is yes, no. This just scenario between yes or no. And we're gonna go with the yes first, on the left side where it's the yes. Is the leaf small? Yes. Are the edges smooth? Yes, and then there's a no. If it's a no, are the edges smooth, and it's a no, then it's guava. But if the edges are smooth and it's a yes, is the leaf shiny? Yes. So if it is yes, it's calamansi, and if it's no, then it's santan. And here on the no side, is the leaf small? So it's not small. It's not small. So is it long and narrow? We're gonna go with no. There's no here. So if it's long and narrow and it's no, that means it's a banana leaf. Is it long and narrow? And we're gonna go to the yes side. So is it long and narrow? Yes. Does it has serrations? Yes. And if it has serrations, it's a rose. If it does not, if it's a no, then it's a mango. So I hope I explained that well. So or you can barely see it, the words. I classified the leaves by examining their observable characteristic, including size, shape, edge type, and texture. I created a series of yes or no questions that separate the leaves based on their traits. For example, the first question divides the leaves into small and large ones. From there, each step groups them more specifically until only one leaf matches each fine description, as I explained earlier. About the mango, the calamansi, the santan, guava, rose, mango, and banana. Different groups may not have the same dichotomous key, because they may collect different types of leaves, or notice different characteristics while describing them. A good dichotomous key uses clear, simple, and observable traits, and makes sure that each step only gives two choices. This is it. Thank you.